son. You ain't taking that off. You ain't taking it. Yeah, you ain't taking it. Will you be glad when Mommy's through with her school? Mommy will be. What is that for? I took out the camera so I could get a picture of you acting silly. And now you're starting to whine. Sippy cup. Yeah? I don't understand that language. All right. Wave bye-bye. Bye-bye.